So today we are unboxing APC UPS 750. It's the good old 750 mini tower. They've been making for a long time, but well, there are some minor changes, like they now have a LCD display. They used to just have these lights, and they have some kind of cloud monitoring service which is called Smart Connect. They're really advertising it all over the place. APC Smart Connect, and I don't know. It's just a network cable that goes from the UPS straight to your network, at Ethernet cable, and you can, I guess, monitor stuff remotely. And they say automatic firmware updates, interactive web portal, UPS alerts. Well, none of this stuff really matters to me because I'm connecting it to the server and I'm monitoring from the server via the USB cable. But if you're connecting it to some dumb device, whatever it is, some industrial device that is not a computer, that could be really useful. And on the side here, there's a curious sticker that says "Not for consumer use in European Union." Well, I suppose consumers in European Union are very dumb, or either that or this device is very dangerous. But yeah, let's open the box and see what's inside. So you have power cables, multiple. I don't know what this is. A network cable. They want that, I guess. They suppose that will be used for the Smart Connect service. Installation guide and styrofoam holding the device. So this is the device. On top there are a lot of serial numbers and keys and stuff, so I covered it. Yeah, the front panel. Ooh. With display. And overall the dimensions are very similar or the same as the classic 750. So here's the old 750 and the new for size comparison, and they are the metal body is the same size, even the venting is identical. Differences are the front panel. And these are the wires. Power cable, male, female, another same cable. USB 2, both sides, and Ethernet cable. And we have Chinese. Something about horrific, deadly materials inside, like lead, obviously, in the battery. Even more hazardous substances. There's a lot of lead, and some cadmium on the PCB. Something in Russian, would you believe it? Power shoot. Congratulations on your APC Smart-UPS purchase. Power shoot. Business edition. And safety information. Save this guide. Well, obviously very, very, very serious stuff. And this safety guide contains important instructions that should be followed during installation and maintenance of your APC by Schneider Electric. Read, understand, and follow all safety instructions. Failure to follow safety instructions and warnings could result in equipment damage, serious injury, or death. Of course, death. Changes and modifications to this unit not expressly approved by APC by Schneider Electric could void the warranty. Warning. Handling safety. Well, if it's less than 18 kilograms, you can carry it by yourself. I don't know how much this is. Probably less than 18, but close. De-energize safety. Internal batteries present a shock hazard. I doubt it. Just 24 volts. Electrical safety. Battery safety. Well, this could be relevant. You don't want to short circuit them, I suppose. And it's the same in multiple languages. And basically that's all. That's all there is in the box.